So I've heard that if you bend a pipe without a pipe bender, then it will kink. And by kink I mean it does that, which is no good. Okay, so I'm going to leave that like that now, and I'm going to get some sand and we'll fill this bad boy up. Hopefully I got a bit where the cat hasn't been using this as a litter tray. I saw some footprints in here. Obviously it'd be better if the sand was completely dry. Feel the pipe getting heavier. Right, so that's full up with sand now, and let's see if we can bend that without it kinking. It is kinking a bit. Oh yeah. Perhaps I didn't pack it in hard enough. That's not ideal. Whoa. That there is not too bad, I suppose, but not great either, really. Anyway, we'll not very good result, really. Anyway, never mind. Better than nothing.